a posture series. So follow along. What you're going to need is a mat, broomstick, pillow, and a free open wall thing. We're going to start out with a warm-up, then a workout, then we're going to do a stretching at the end to work on our posture. So let's go ahead, get on our mats on the ground. Go ahead, lay onto your back. Feet are going to be flexed. Go ahead, try and get your best posture you can be. You may have seen this in another video, okay? I want you to also close the gap underneath your back, okay? So you're gonna let that air out. Go ahead, palms are gonna be up, and go ahead, bring your Our next one, we are going to grab a pillow. Go ahead, lay on your side. You're gonna be laying on your shoulder here. And you're gonna use this, flex your feet again, bend that top leg, rest it on the pillow, okay? And then the other hand, go ahead and make a T, just like you just did. And make that T, then bring it up and over, paint the air. And don't forget to breathe. One more. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of the pillow. Okay, next move, we're gonna be onto our stomach. Go ahead, lay onto your stomach, arms out, legs out. We're doing swimmers. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Couple more. All right. Go ahead, we're gonna stand up in the next one. Reach, feel the stretch in the back of the legs. Stand back up. Reach, 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 reach. And then go ahead, back, reach. Try to keep that posture as you hinge forward. And you're kind of karate chopping the hips. Go ahead and grab your broomstick handy. We're going to do leg swings. So you want to squeeze your core. It's okay with a little bit of rotation. If you want a more stable surface, you can hold onto a wall. Switch, other side. Almost done with warm up. We've got one more move, and we're going to use the wall after this one. Swing, swing. All right, so you come to the wall. You're gonna, your shoulder is gonna be facing the wall. Then you're gonna put the back of your hand up here. Then you're gonna switch it over. These are wall circles. You may have seen them. So you're gonna go back, palm back of your hand, then palm of your hand on the way. Now we're gonna reverse the circle. Keep your palm there, then switch it. Okay, go ahead and switch sides. Again, so you're here, palm, making that circle, fold through. And this is the last move. Go ahead and reverse. All right, go ahead, grab your broomsticks. I have the timer. You're gonna hear a beep. It's gonna be 1 minute of each exercise. We're doing 8 exercises, whole body. Okay, ready? Go ahead, grab your broom, bring it overhead. You're by your couch, and we're gonna do a squat, down and up. Try to keep that bar up and over. And can you try and pull the bar apart. You don't need to have too much force. I don't want you straining yourself. Okay, I want you to also focus on your core and getting those hips back. So kind of slide those hips back. And then we're just gonna wait for that sound. Then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, the next one we are gonna be using this again. The broomstick, we're gonna use the broomstick again. Let's try and make it a workout. Really squeeze the core and breathe. Focus on your breath. Making sure you're sitting down. We've got 5 more seconds to go. Okay, very good. Roll those shoulders out. Bring the bar up and over. We're gonna do what's called a good morning. Feet hip width apart. Curl those toes. Hinge forward and back up. So you're sliding the hips back again. Feel the stretch in the hamstrings, the back of the legs. Back of the legs. And come back up. Squeeze the core. And you're breathing. So we're here for 1 full minute. Let's make it a workout, you guys. The next one, we're not going to use this broomstick. We're just going to use our bodies. More seconds. All right, go ahead and put the broomstick off to the side. Hands together, goblet squat. Toes pointing out a little bit, down and up. Okay, squeeze the glutes. Squeeze your core and press those hands together. There you go. It's all about that tension. Squeeze it, push those hands together. Now let's take it low and pulse. We got about 30 more seconds to go. Remember, you're doing this for a full minute at each exercise. We're only going to do 1 round. You're welcome to replay this video again. Keep pulsing. We're going to pulse for the rest of it. Squeeze those glutes. Feel those thighs. Woo! You're doing great. And stand up. Nice. Grab the bar for the next one. We're going to work on balance here. Okay, slight bend in that knee. Hinge forward and back up. We're going to do 30 seconds on each leg. Hold that bar, kind of like you're breaking the bar. Slide it down and back up. Slide it down and stand back up. You're pushing those hips back. Hinge and back up. And go ahead, switch. Other side. Slight bend in that planted leg and back up. Hinge, break the bar. Up and back up. Less than 15 seconds left. All right, this next one, grab the bar, bring it behind your head, squeeze the glutes, press up, and bring it back down. Now this one, I want you to think about the shoulder blades coming down. Cores are on, glutes are on. Squeeze them. Keep looking forward. Pressing it up and down. Pulling the bar apart, away from each other. Okay, we have 20 more seconds. I'm watching it. I'm done with this one. Ooh, it hurts. I've got shoulder problems, so it hurts me a little bit. Not a lot. Keeps hitting my bun too. All right, next one. Go ahead, sit on the ground. You want your feet here, flexed. Hold the bar here, core is on. That's your base. Then press overhead and bring it back down. I want you to really squeeze your core here. Try to look forward, flexing the feet. You're going to do this for a minute with me. Keep those feet flexed, core is on. Turn it on, turn it on. Five more seconds, 5 more seconds. All right, go ahead, let's put that down. Lay it on your back, floor bridge here. You probably know what this one is. Okay, feet about 6 bones apart, shoulders back and down. Close that gap there. Relax those hands by your side. Lift, squeeze the glutes, and lower. Lift and lower. I want you to do this a little bit slower than you would normally do it. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Lower. And again, we're doing this for 1 minute, but don't worry, it's only 1 round. I get 1 more move here. Try and reach for your heels. Heel tap. If you could reach it, great. I want you to feel all the tension right here, not in your neck. If it is in your neck, you can support it a little bit with your hands. But I really want this move to happen here. I'm going to move down this way. I'm really feeling the burn in my core, though, I can tell you that. Whew. We're almost there, and we're done there. Workout is done. All right, great workout. Now it's time to stretch. So here we go. Grab something that's stable. You can use your couch or you can use a broom. We're going to do standing figure 4. This is great if you're a cyclist. This is a pure form of stretch right in the glute. And you're just kind of holding it until you feel it release a little bit. So everyone's a little bit different here. If you need to hold this move a little bit longer, go for it. Good, taking those breaths. You can count, you can do it by counting the breaths, or you can time it if you'd like. And go ahead, stand up and switch. Other side. You want to have it to be kind of active at the same time. You want it active right here in your core. It's going to help you balance. All right, go ahead and stand up. We're going to use the couch for the next one. I'm going to have you do a hamstring stretch, back the leg. Flex that foot. Set that posture. Okay, so we've got the leg fully extended here. And you're going to hinge forward just a little bit. Okay, feel until you feel that stretch. I'm really tight, so I can feel it firing. Okay, so then you're going to bend the knee and come a little bit closer, stretching a different part of the hamstring. Okay, I want you to go through that. Okay, so when you straighten it, come a little bit more away. Then when you bend it, come towards the knee a little bit, setting that posture. Again, if you want to do this longer, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, slowly come on out of that and switch. Other leg. Start in the fully straightened. Set the posture, little hinge until you feel that burn. Then bend the knee, hinge a little bit further, and getting a different part of your hamstring. Ooh, that hurts. Then you're going back and forth, straightening and bending the knee. Ooh. Okay, we are going to do stretch out our chest a little bit, and you're going to stretch the chest a little bit. You don't want too much, okay? So I want your core to be active here. That. I want your core to be active, and you're kind of feeling that chest, pec stretch. Ooh. And go ahead, slowly coming out of that. Switch sides. Good, good, good. Okay, last stretch. We're gonna stretch right here. Go ahead, you're gonna put your palm down, then you're pulling. You're kind of pushing against this, feeling the stretch in your forearms. And slowly come out of that. If you need to do more, go ahead. I'm gonna switch sides. Stretching the forearms. All right, and that is it. I hope this helps your posture. Remember to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up on this video, and there's more to come. This is the posture series. Thank you guys. Bye.